Y'all ready for this? The best shed in Shed Wars. We got our hydroponic peppers, hydroponic sweet peppers, hydroponic strawberries, hydroponic sweet peppers again. We got a hydroponic cucumber. We got some lettuce that I just harvested. Some more peppers. And we got Mater, my hydroponic tomato plant. Hashtag Team Woodcutter. Team Will It Grow and Team Across the Pond got nothing on this. Yeah, I gotta say, Mother Nature not being very kind. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but I'm pretty sure that's not gonna make it. Not good. And it's another frost advisory tonight. I don't have any way to cover all these. Not that it would even work. I covered them in plastic last time, but it doesn't really get a good enough seal. I don't know. I might just end up replanting whatever dies. But see, all these are alright. Our one buddy over there that I don't have a cage on, he's not doing too good. Yeah, there he is. Not good at all. What? Don't mess with me, Cluck. I didn't let the chickens out. They're a little anxious. So I don't know, guys. We'll probably bring the plastic out here and try to cover them again tonight, I guess. Do the best we can. You guys in here? Of course. I don't know about this one. Ow! Damn it. Why you gotta be an asshole for? Alright, I'm taking these eggs in. Just stay in there. What are you doing? Huh? You ain't even sitting on nothing. Yeah. Y'all need to back up. Especially this black one here. She's a escape artist. Back up. Back up. Back up. One time I shut this and it latched behind me. That was fun. You guys need water, don't you? Back up. Probably need to come up with a system to water these guys where I don't have to go in. But usually I free range them a lot, so not a big deal. This is their waterer. It's a 5-gallon bucket with some little nipple things on the bottom of it that they peck out and get their water. Thirsty. How's the chickies doing? Chickies. Mama. You guys got water? Yeah. Food. Looks like. Alright, alright. So I'm going to join in with, try to join in here with our hashtag shedwars, hashtag teamwoodcutter, and see if I can inspire any ideas. And so today we got to figure out what we're going to do. This might work. Alright, so what you're going to need is a polar pop cup, a net cup, or you can take one of these, something kind of plastic cup, and cut some holes in it and use it as a net cup, make your own net cup if you don't have one of these. And we're going to need some spray paint. I'm using black gloss spray paint. And then I cleaned it all out. I got the soda out of there, cleaned the lid, and then I put a piece of tape on the inside of the lid in order to stop paint from getting in here, because what we're going to do is we're going to seal our lid on there good, and then we're going to paint this whole thing black, so that way to hopefully stop the sun from getting through. So that'll be next. Alright, so I put 2 coats of black spray paint, and there's our end result. I didn't worry about the bottom. And next thing we're going to do is we got to figure up our size of our hole for our knit cup. Just kind of eyeball it here on what we need, and then cut it with some scissors. So that's what's next. Alright, so we have our hole cut, and we got our net cup in the hole there. So next thing we're going to do is fill it up just a little bit above the bottom of the net cup, and we're going to put in our nutrients. And the nice thing about something this small is we can actually use some warm water, because we can just fill it up straight out of our sink, and that's going to help us dilute the nutrients. So I'm just going to put a little teaspoon of nutrients in here, and then we're going to go inside and fill it with some warm water. Alright, so we got our nutrients in there, and the last thing we have to do is put our little plant in our net pot. And she's looking a little droopy, but hopefully she'll come back. And then I put a little hydrogen on top just to make it cover any holes that were showing. And there we go. There's our Polar Pop hydroponic setup. And I'm going to leave it here in the windowsill in the garage because it's going to be a freeze advisory tonight. So probably not going to put it in the greenhouse tonight. I'll wait till tomorrow. So that'll be it for this one. Thanks for watching.